Welcome! If you've been trying to find your post activity on Facebook using a PC and got a bit lost with the latest update, you're not alone. The layout has changed slightly, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can quickly access everything you need. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of everything you've done on the platform. Once you're inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side. You'll see a section called Your Facebook Activity. Click on that to expand more options related to your account activity. Now, you want to focus on your posts, so from the list, click on Posts, and then select Posts, Photos, and Videos. This section will show you all the content you've shared, whether it's text posts, images, or videos. From here, you can scroll through your activity, manage your posts, or even delete anything you no longer want on your profile. It's a great way to review your history and stay in control of your content. And that's it. The new update might look different at first, but once you know where to click, it becomes really simple to navigate.